I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making baked bone-in skin on chicken thighs. Before making this video, I preheated the oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. So what we need is bone-in chicken thighs and seasonings. I'm using salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and paprika, and you can use any chicken seasonings you like. And I also have a baking sheet lined with parchment paper for easy cleanup. So now I'm going to season the chicken thighs on both sides. So let me just sprinkle them with my seasonings. So here's salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and paprika, and I'm going to rub the seasonings in. And now I will flip the chicken thighs over and season the other side. So again, let's sprinkle salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and paprika. And rub the seasonings in so they're more evenly distributed. So now the chicken thighs are perfectly seasoned, so I'm going to put them on a baking sheet. Put them on a baking sheet in a single layer. Perfect, and now it's ready to be baked. So let's put them in the oven. So again, I preheated it to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. And let's bake them. Now the bone-in chicken thighs have been baking for 40 minutes at 425 degrees Fahrenheit, and they're ready. Let's take a look. They look amazing, so nicely browned and perfectly cooked. Now to be sure that they're cooked, you can always use an instant read thermometer. So for chicken thighs and dark meat, it should be at least 180 degrees Fahrenheit. Yeah, it's over 180, so they're done. And now let me just have them cool down a little bit and I'll try them. They look perfect. And now let's try these chicken thighs. They look so good. I'm so excited about trying them. So let me just put one on the plate and I'm going to cut it so you can see the inside. So the skin is crispy and the meat is perfectly cooked and it looks so juicy. Let me just try a little piece of the skin. Crispy skin is so tasty. Mmm. It's so good. Perfectly crispy skin and juicy meat. It's so tender, it just melts in your mouth. You will love those oven roasted bone-in skin and chicken thighs. They are delicious and so easy to make. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!